Ants like to march through your yard and straight into your home. Here are a few tips to keep your house ant-free. 1. Seal entry points. Ants can slip into tiny holes. Check the exterior and interior of your house for cracks or gaps. Seal any holes, repair or replace torn screens, and check for gaps near doors. 2. Remove food sources. Ants aren't picky eaters, and they love to eat your leftovers. Clean up crumbs and spills and keep your sink free of dirty dishes. Store your food in sealed containers. 3. Reduce moisture. Ants need water and will seek areas with it. Examine your home and yard for moisture buildup. Repair leaky pipes, clean your gutters, and remove items that collect water. 4. Remove hiding spots. You'll want to remove items that ants can hide under. Eliminate clutter in your home and keep your yard clean. 5. Trim vegetation. Branches and plants touching your house can act as a bridge for ants. Trim these regularly to keep ants out. 6. Create a protective barrier. Spraying your yard with a plant-based insecticide spray can help keep pests away. Our yard bug spray kills bugs on contact and provides residual repellency, helping to deter ants. 7. Treat the nest. If you can locate the ant nest, you can use a plant-based dust, like spider and insect dust, to treat it. 8. Attack the colony. If you don't attack the source of the infestation, ants will keep coming back. Our no-spill ant kill and ant killer bait allow ants to carry the bait back to the nest, helping to eliminate the colony. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.